All right, question number 1. A coffee maker's directions say to use 2 tablespoons of ground coffee for every 6 ounces of water. How much coffee should you use for 33 ounces of water? So if I make a table here, let me get my pencil ready. So if I make a table, I have coffee and water. It says 2 tablespoons of coffee for 6 ounces of water. So if I find the constant proportionality, I go 6 divided by 2, second column divided by first column, and I get 3. So my constant proportionality is 3. So it says how much coffee should you use for 33 ounces of water. So 33 is here. So I'm going backwards to the first column. So instead of multiplying by 3, I'm going to divide by 3. And 33 divided by 3 is 11. Okay, so there's number 1. The second problem, a runner is running a 10-kilometer race. It takes her 17 and a half minutes to reach the 2.5 kilometer mark. At that rate, how long will it take her to run the whole race? So once again, make a table. So if I make this table, I have kilometers and minutes. So 10 kilometers, 2.5 kilometers. It takes her 17.5 to run 2.5 kilometers. So if I go second column divided by first column, I'm going to go 17.5, 17.5 divided by 2.5, and I get 7. So 17.5 divided by 2.5 equals 7. So my constant proportionality is 7. So 10 times 7 is 70. So there's the second one.